If you own a local business, you need to be doing local SEO. Welcome to Casey's SEO. Now, let's discuss why you need to do local SEO and a couple ways that you can implement local SEO on your website in order to get more traffic. But before I move on, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay updated with more SEO tips. If you have a local business, you need to make sure you have a Google business profile page. You need to use their map and embed that onto your website. You need to use the posting options that you have within your Google business profile page in order to stay relevant and keep customers updated. Plus, you need to optimize your website for your local area. On your website, you need to make sure that you have your local area or location on every page. Your location will be one of your main keywords that you're going to be using throughout your website, and it will tell Google and the search engines where you are located and that keyword is very prominent and you need to rank for that location. For example, if you have a auto repair business in Denver, Colorado, you will want to use some keywords based around auto repair, one that gets a lot of searches but is not too difficult to rank for, and then use Denver either after or before your main keyword. If you have multiple locations, you will want to use a different location page for each location so you can tell the search engines that you have a business in that location, and you'll be able to rank that location page a lot easier than just having multiple locations on your homepage. Without optimizing your website and having a Google business profile page, it's going to be very difficult for you to rank in your area, and you're not going to be able to drive as much traffic to your site and to your business as you would like. If you have a local business, make sure to follow those two tips. First, create a Google business profile page. Take that map, embed that map on your website. Use any of the other features within your Google business profile page, and then add your location keyword throughout your website so people know where you are actually located. And if you guys have any more questions or comments, please let me know, and make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more SEO tips.